minus 24, the temperature change. It is cool. Mankato, minus 29. That means temperatures have absolutely crashed. The winds are still strong, 26 to 33 miles per hour. And you can see the current wind chills. We're at minus 9 to minus 24. Bundle up. It's cold. Again, temperatures are, pretty chilly out here. 34 below zero in Thief River Falls, 23 below in Ortonville. And you can see there's a little bit of lake effect snow here in Marquette. That's going to be pushing across the lake. International Falls, starting to clear. We're going to have some sunshine, very important sunshine, so we can get rid of this ice on the roads, or at least help the ice on the roads. Maybe it's not perfect. Something magical will happen around 10:30 this morning. It'll just, boom, the roads will be way better. And that's because the sun mixing with the brine, there's something about it. Today's not a warm day. It's definitely a cold day. Hopefully you can get out there and enjoy the new fresh snowpack that we have. I don't see anything major for snowpack over the next 7 days. I do think we'll have a little snow shower activity on Wednesday for sure. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, warming up a little bit, still below average.